Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you this beautiful wig from Domiso hair. It is their Glueless 4x4 lace closure wig. This is a deep wave curly bob wig in 14 inches. This wig is affordable and available to you on Amazon, and I'm going to show you guys how quick it is to install. So really quick, I'm just giving you guys an unboxing to show you everything that comes along with the hair. So once again, this wig is from Domiso hair. It is their curly bob wig in 14 inches, 4x4 lace closure, and again this wig is 100% glueless. It comes with a dome cap wig, that way you are able to have a lot more breathing room and it's a lot more comfortable, and it also has the adjustable elastic band for extra security and a tight fit. This lace also does come pre-cut, and it also comes pre-plucked for you as well. So as I mentioned before, this wig install is going to be a 1, 2, 3 type of thing. This is one of those wigs where you have the luxury of just throwing it on and go. So the first thing that I did was adjust the elastic band to its proper fitting, that way it's nice and snug on my head. And then I also added some makeup onto that lace as well, just to blend it in with my skin color. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is use my wax stick and my hot comb and just slick the hair back just to get rid of any flyaways that may be in my way. Then I'm going to clip the hair back and just add some more makeup right at the top of that lace. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it's looking a little whitish, so we want to blend that. So remember that this wig does come pre-cut for you. It also does come pre-plucked, so I did not do any plucking with this lace whatsoever. That's how the wig came. But I did use my razor to get rid of some of those little pieces on the lace that just so happened to be sticking up. Okay you guys, so technically the install portion is finished. You guys see how quick that was? So right now we're just going to style the wig. I'm going in with a middle part. Now this is a 4x4 closure, so you do actually have the luxury of giving yourself a side part as well, but I'm going in with the middle part today. Now I do just want to let you guys know that this is one of those type of wigs, like again, where you just throw it on and you go. It comes pre-cut, comes pre-plucked. It's a glueless wig, 100% glueless wig with a dome cap wig. That way it's a lot more comfortable and breathable for you. So this is one of those wigs where it's extremely beginner friendly and you do not need to have any skills to install it whatsoever. So right now I'm just going in with my wax stick and my hot comb because you guys know I need to make sure that the top of that wig is laying flat. So I'm not running the hot comb through the curls. I'm just doing it at the very top just to get rid of any bumps or anything like that. We want it to look flat. Alright, that was pretty simple and painless, so now it's time to style the rest of the hair. So obviously it's a curly bob, so we really want those curls to pop. So I'm just going to rejuvenate those curls with some water, but right now I'm just showing you guys how glueless that wig is. Like if I wanted to just pop it off, I can. So again, I'm just using some water to rehydrate those curls, and you guys will see that those curls popped without any issues. And just so you know, the hair was really good quality as well. I did not have any shedding, I did not have any tangling, especially for this being a deep wave curly wig. This wig didn't give me any issues at all. So after I rejuvenated the curls with some water, I brushed through them just to make sure there were no tangles or anything like that. And then I used this very light curly activator jelly or whatever in the curls. It's a really lightweight activator, so it did not weigh the curls down or the hair down or anything like that, which is why it was good to use it on this wig, because this wig did not need much. As you guys can see with the water in itself, those curls popped right away. Okay, you guys, so that is pretty much it. So I'm just giving you guys another close-up of how glueless this wig is. Running the comb right underneath the lace, you can't even see it. This lace blended right in with my skin, and again, the hair was amazing quality. This is the perfect wig for the hotter months. Summer is right around the corner, so I would definitely be making this wig to use. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you check out all the information in the description box down below, and if you are one of those girls who need a glueless, affordable, curly wig, Domiso hair is the way to go. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you next time.